If you own a truck, you know that protecting your cargo is a top priority. Whether you're hauling tools for work, packing up for a weekend adventure, or just want to keep your truck bed looking clean and secure, a quality tonneau cover is a must-have. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? That's where we come in. We've scoured Amazon's top-rated selections to bring you the 5 best truck bed covers, each excelling in durability, weather protection, security, and ease of use. From budget-friendly soft covers to heavy-duty hard shells, there's something here for every truck owner. Let's dive in and find the perfect cover for your needs. 5. Auto Saver 88 Soft Trifold. If you're shopping on a budget but still want a solid, reliable tonneau cover, the Autosaver 88 Soft Trifold is a fantastic choice. It's made with durable marine-grade vinyl, which offers decent protection from rain, dust, and debris without breaking the bank. The trifold design makes it easy to install and remove, and it comes with pre-assembled clamps that let you set it up in minutes. Additionally, it includes a weather-resistant sealing system, helping to keep water from seeping into your truck bed during heavy downpours. Now, let's be real. Since this is a soft cover, it won't provide the same level of security as a hard shell. A determined thief with a knife or sharp object could easily cut through it. However, it does include a reinforced aluminum frame, which gives it better durability compared to other soft covers. If your main concern is shielding your cargo from bad weather, this cover performs well, keeping out moisture and dust, while also enhancing fuel efficiency by reducing drag. Another major perk is its lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to handle. Unlike bulkier covers that require extra muscle to install or remove, this one is manageable by just one person. While it may not be the most theft-proof option, it's a fantastic pick for those who want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use, and protective truck bed cover. Plus, for the price, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better deal. 4. Tiger Auto T1 Soft Rollup. Next up, we have the Tiger Auto T1, which takes convenience to the next level. Unlike the trifold covers, this one is a roll-up style, meaning you can quickly roll it back to access your entire truck bed. The dual-coated vinyl material is tear-resistant and waterproof, ensuring that rain and debris stay out while keeping your cargo dry and secure. The built-in tension system keeps it tight, so you don't have to worry about it flapping in the wind while driving, even at high speeds. One of the best things about this cover is the easy latch locking system. You can open it with one hand, making it super convenient when you're loading and unloading cargo. The Velcro side sealing design helps maintain a snug fit, preventing moisture from seeping in while ensuring a secure closure. Additionally, the aluminum support bars offer extra reinforcement, preventing sagging and improving durability over time. Another major benefit of this cover is how lightweight and easy to maneuver it is. Unlike bulky trifold models, this roll-up design allows for quick storage when you need full access to your truck bed. It's an ideal choice for truck owners who frequently load and unload various items and need maximum accessibility without sacrificing protection. However, like most soft covers, it doesn't offer the best security, so it's not ideal if you frequently carry valuable items. That said, if you're looking for a hassle-free cover that provides great protection from the elements while being incredibly easy to use, this is an excellent pick. 3. Fast Fit Hard Trifold. For those who need something more rugged and secure, the Fast Fit Hard Trifold is a game changer. It's constructed with reinforced aluminum panels, making it one of the toughest covers in this price range. If you transport expensive tools, equipment, or other valuable items, this cover provides solid theft protection while keeping your cargo safe from rain, snow, and harsh weather conditions. Plus, its scratch-resistant finish ensures long-term durability and a polished look, even after years of use. Despite its heavy-duty build, installation is surprisingly easy. The clamp-on design requires no drilling, and you can fold it up when you need to haul larger items. The aluminum panels are designed to be impact-resistant, making them capable of withstanding accidental drops and heavy loads. Another notable feature is the dual-action tailgate seal, which prevents dirt, water, and snow from seeping in. This ensures that your cargo remains dry and protected, no matter the weather conditions. The only downside? It's a bit heavier than soft covers, so if you frequently need to remove it, that's something to keep in mind. However, the extra weight translates to enhanced security and durability, making it a top pick for those who need a tough all-season cover. If you want a tonneau cover that's built to last, offers top-notch protection, and is easy to use, the fast-fit hard trifold is a fantastic investment. 2. F20 FRP Hard Trifold. If you live in an area with harsh winters, heavy rains, or intense sun exposure, the F20 FRP Hard Trifold cover is the best pick for extreme weather. This cover is made with fiberglass reinforced polymer, FRP, which is not only tougher than aluminum but also more resistant to heat, UV rays, and long-term exposure to the elements. Unlike some cheaper covers that warp, fade, or crack over time, this one is built to handle anything Mother Nature throws at it, ensuring long-lasting performance. One of its standout features is the enhanced weather sealing system. It has thicker rubber seals and reinforced edges, making it more effective at keeping out water, snow, and dirt than most competitors. Additionally, its dual drainage system efficiently channels excess moisture away from the truck bed, preventing pooling and leaks. This feature makes it an excellent choice for truck owners in regions with severe storms, heavy snowfall, or even extreme heat. Security is also a major plus, thanks to the sturdy locking system that makes it nearly impossible to pry open. Unlike soft covers, which can be cut open with a sharp object, this hard shell design provides extra theft resistance. The aluminum honeycomb core adds to the strength, ensuring that even under pressure, the cover remains firm and durable. While it is a bit pricier than some other trifold options, the added benefits of superior weather resistance, enhanced security, and long-lasting durability make it one of the best investments for truck owners looking for ultimate protection. If you want a tonneau cover that can handle extreme conditions and still look great after years of use, this is the one to get. 1. Tootle Hard Shell. Taking the top spot is the Tootle Hard Shell folding tonneau cover, and for good reason, it checks all the boxes. This cover offers the perfect blend of security, durability, and convenience, making it the best overall choice for truck owners. Made from heavy-duty aluminum panels, it's strong enough to support up to 500 pounds of weight, so you don't have to worry about snow, heavy cargo, or even accidental pressure on the cover. Its powder-coated finish also makes it resistant to scratches, rust, and corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting appearance and performance. Additionally, the panels have impact-resistant reinforcement, making them less likely to dent or deform under stress. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, and the cover locks in place for added security, making it a great option for keeping your gear safe. The built-in weatherproof seals and drainage system help prevent rain and moisture from seeping in, protecting your truck bed from water damage. Its reinforced hinges and secure latching mechanism add an extra layer of stability, ensuring the cover stays in place even during rough drives or strong winds. The heavy-duty clamps also ensure a tight, rattle-free fit, preventing vibrations or noise when driving over bumpy roads. What sets it apart is its sleek, low-profile design that not only looks great, but also helps improve fuel efficiency by reducing wind resistance. Plus, it folds up easily when you need full access to your truck bed, allowing for effortless loading and unloading. The aerodynamic structure also minimizes noise when driving at high speeds, ensuring a quieter ride. Another major advantage is its multi-position folding mechanism, which allows you to keep it partially open for quick access while still offering partial protection for smaller loads. With a combination of rugged durability, enhanced security features, and stylish design, this tonneau cover is a premium choice for truck owners who demand the best. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover for all-around performance, durability, and aesthetics, the Tootle Hard Shell Folding Cover is hands down the winner. Whether you drive in extreme weather conditions or simply want the best security for your cargo, this cover is designed to handle it all while maintaining a sleek, modern look.